Today's styling video, we are partnering again with Bird's Nest Australia, but today we're doing something just a little bit different. It is a dress collection today, and the great thing is everything featured is under $100. So we're doing affordable fashion. Now Bird's Nest has a size range between a size 8 and a size 24. They also have award-winning customer service and free shipping on orders over $150. So let's just jump into it, show off some of these frocks. I've got them into 3 categories. We've got some casual dresses, smart casual, and something just a little bit dressier. As always, I'll have a little information box which will let you know the details of the pieces. But if you have any other questions, just leave me a comment below. Let's do this. So let's have a look at the dress that I'm wearing right now. It is the Bird Keepers tank tie front dress. I'm going to show you how this works. So it is a beautiful, cool, perfect for summer little number. We've got thick straps here for a regular bra and decent coverage on the chest. We've got these 2 little wings here. And what we can do is we can either pull it and tie that at the back if we want a nice, clean, streamlined look. Or how it's designed is to be tied at the front. So we can tie this in a single, we can tie it through twice just to lock that in a little bit. And what I like is it really cinches the waist. So if you are an hourglass shape, this is just really going to emphasize this as well. If you're someone who does carry a little bit of weight in their tummy, it is still a really flattering shape because this is going to cinch in up high. So the small part of our waist, and it just drapes really nicely. Beautiful dress, perfect for casual wear. I've just styled it with sneakers, and I would add a little pop of color with a crossbody bag. Styling doesn't have to be complicated. It can be as simple as sneakers and a crossbody bag to dress up a little black casual dress. Great little dress if you were going to the beach because it's just a beautiful, cool little number. So let's do a little bit of color and let me show you the ditzy print dress. This is such a fun little number from Bird's Nest. It is a beautiful shift style dress but still has a little bit of shape. We've got these pockets here, absolutely beautiful print. I'll come in and show you that. That is just really, really nice. Again, perfect with sneakers because we're all about comfort, particularly this year. It's a year of comfort. So anything you can style with sneakers is going to be a bit of a winner. It is a higher neckline. Now, if you're someone who prefers a little bit of a lower neckline, there is a little trick we can do by adding either a long line necklace or a long line scarf, anything that's going to draw that line down lower. In terms of styling, I would go sneakers. You could always dress this up with a heel as well, and add a cute little feature bag. So let's have a little bit of fun with styling. Okay, the next dress in the casual collection with Bird's Nest is the summer stripe dress. And it's a wardrobe essential to have a little stripy dress, particularly one that you can just throw on and be super comfortable and don't have to fuss with. What I like about this one is the detail here. So we've got the horizontal stripe, but then we've got the vertical strip down the side, which is just a really nice little change. I feel like it gives a really nice silhouette. It's got really nice length to it. So as much as this would be a weekend dress that you would reach for, this could work if you're a teacher or need something with a little bit of length if you're crouching down to pick up kids and things like that. Now let's talk about horizontal stripes, because I know a lot of us are still have in our head that old wives' tale that horizontal stripes make us look wider. It's simply not the case. If you still feel a little bit nervous about the effect or potential effect of horizontal stripes, do things to break up the print, such as adding a crossbody bag. Or a little denim jacket. If it's warm and you don't want to wear it, you can always tie it around your waist. If you find a denim jacket tied around your waist adds too much bulk, you could always opt for a chambray shirt, and you can size up, which should give you a little bit more length in the sleeves if you just need a little bit more around the waist. So this one is the uneven hem dress, and it gets the name because we've got this scoop at the bottom of the dress. So this dress, in terms of the fabrication, it has a little bit of elastine in it, which I really love because I love anything that has stretch. I just feel like that really works for my body. I feel like it moves with me. We've got this beautiful thick strap, which is nice and flattering, and a deep V-neck, which suits our ladies, particularly with bigger busts. We've got this little detail here where it just comes in and drops away at the bust, which is nice and flattering, gives us some nice movement, and this shape just skims over the hips, and we've got some cute little pockets. So of course this dress is going to look amazing with sneakers, but because this is our smart casual option, let's dress her up a little bit. What a difference just adding a nude clutch and a nude heel makes to really elevate an outfit. If you don't have a pair of nude heels in your wardrobe, they are a staple because they will elongate your leg and just make your dress or whatever you're wearing the star of the outfit. So this next dress is When the Stars Align dress. It is quite a busy print, so in terms of styling, I would keep it to having a bit of a statement bracelet like how I've got the cuff, or a statement earring. Any necklace that you have would probably get a little bit lost with this one. The other thing you could do is belt it as well. But let me come in and show you the details on this dress. So this dress is currently on sale, so it is one of our affordable pieces. We've got some button detail here in the sleeve. It's a viscose fabrication. It is nice and cool on. I've pushed up the sleeves here. And we've got this beautiful, just in terms of design, just this beautiful detail and pockets. So this is a shift style shape. So what that means is it's very relaxed all the way through and a little bit snugger on the hips. So if you are hip dominant, you may find that you've got heaps of room up top, but it is snug on the hips. That's the shape of this one. But if you are someone who is a little bit bigger up top, then you'll have room in this one. And if your legs are the star, then let them shine. So this is it out. We've got a small split on the side. But let's have a look at this one belted. So I really love the long statement sleeves on this. The relaxed fit of it, I actually really like it. It's almost like a bit of a bat wing. And then I actually love it with the belt bag just cinching in that waist, because my waist is my smallest part because I do have that hourglass shape. So this dress, for me, I just love it even more now that I've cinched in that waist, added a little bit of style personality with the belt bag. Yeah, and I love these swishy sleeves. So my absolute favorite of all time style of dress is a wrap dress. And this is the Life is Beautiful dress from Bird's Nest. And it is absolutely stunning. It is very generous in size. I think I could have sized down. So I'm just gonna pop the bag down so I can just show you how much coverage we have. The biggest problem I have with wrap dresses, depending on where I buy them from, is there's not enough wrap in the wrap dress, and then the split ends up sort of in the front and you're kind of holding it across. This one has very generous wrap to it. So if you are someone who is hip and bottom dominant and you're finding that your wrap dresses start creeping, you've got plenty of coverage in this one, which makes it a great teaching dress and a great work dress. So that's the amount of, as you can see, that comes right over. So that's really fantastic. So we can either tie that just here. So how a wrap dress works is we have a hole on this side, which the underneath panel, the tie comes through, and then we can either tie it to the side here, which makes sense, or if we want to, we can move this across and we can tie this to the side here and have a bow detail here. So it's just personal preference, however you like to tie your wrap dress. So we've got this beautiful frill that sits over the shoulders. So this is essentially a sleeveless dress, but the frill actually gives you a bit of a sleeve. So this is the perfect sleeveless dress for the woman who hates sleeveless dresses, because this gives me just enough arm coverage to feel really confident. And the other thing about it is because it's a really nice and frilly arm coverage, it's not a dead across line. It's actually very flattering on the arm, very elongating. And then that frill detail comes down the dress as well and all the way around the bottom. This just skims over the hips, tummy and bottom. So this is just a beautiful fit. In terms of the fabric, we've got some beautiful stretch to it. The color is lovely and this print is really pretty and classic as well. Because we've got this V-neck, we can play around with our styling. We can swap out the statement earring for a subtle earring, and we could do a pendant or play around with some bracelets and things like that. So let's take a look at our new sexy date night dress. This is the tie sleeve shift dress from Bird's Nest, and it is stunning. The navy in this is so rich. It's got some beautiful stretch to this fabric. The sleeve details just adds a little bit of glitz and glamour. It's a really lovely relaxed fit. What I love about this is that the length is really nice. Now I'm 5'9" and really long in the body, so just remember that for a lot of ladies this will be on or just below the knee. For me it's just above the knee. What I love about this is the beautiful shape. So I'm just going to put my arms out. See how it's a shift style dress, which means it's just a little bit more relaxed, but see how I've got this beautiful, it comes in curves, the small part of the waist, and comes out. Even though it's relaxed fit and a shift style, it has beautiful shape to it, which really suits the curves of a woman's body. In terms of styling, I've done a little bit of glam and added a silver heel and a silver clutch. But this is just a beautiful piece. I could also add a nude court heel with this and a blazer, and I could wear this to a work meeting. But there's something about this that I just feel it's a little bit date night worthy. But it is a beautiful piece. Everyone should have a beautiful, if not a little black dress, a little navy dress. I find navy is just such a nice color for spring, summer. It's just a little bit more lifted. It's always regal. It's always really polished. So this is the Bird's Nest multi-way dress, and I just put this on a second ago and I just wooed myself. It is such a sexy little number. There's a few different ways you can style this. So here I've just thrown it on like a funnel neck dress. It is long sleeve, but we can push these up a little bit. Now she is a little bit short on me, which I quite like because I don't mind getting my legs out. But remember, with my height, she will be a little bit longer on most ladies unless you're 5'10" and above, because I'm 5'9" and long in the body. Now let's talk through some of the ways you can style this. We can style it off the shoulder, and I'll take you through some of those, or we can even wear it as a halter neck and use the sleeves around our neck. So let's have a play. So there you have it, a collection of spring summer dresses from Bird's Nest, all under $100. As always, I love to hear what some of your favorite pieces are. If you want to leave me a comment below, I would love that. As always, thank you so much for watching.